Right, I've been planting out my new potatoes, second earlies, in these bags. But the other thing that I've got, which is a useful little pot, is this one, which has this inner. And the idea is that goes inside there. You put the soil in, and compost in this case. Put about 3 inches in. It's not a massive pot. And then your potatoes that you've been chitting, hopefully, with their little stalks coming out, you pop into the base. Now, as this isn't a very big pot, I'm just going to put one in. And there it is, nicely bedded in. And the idea is that when the potatoes develop in the soil, in the compost, you can lift this out and you can actually see how big they are, and you can even pick 1 or 2 at a time if you want to and leave the plant intact. So it's quite a canny little piece of equipment. So once you put your potato in, or your tuber, sprouts are coming up, just cover it with about 4 inches of compost, and then as with growing in bags and sacks and so on, as the foliage develops, it shoots up out of the compost. Keep covering it with soil or compost, and keep on doing that, till it reaches the top. At that stage, you can just leave it to develop and mature. Probably sometime early June, we should have some nice new potatoes. And make sure you water well and cover if there's a risk of frost.